It's Mindy and Rylin, and today we're going to show you how to do this awesome 4-strand French braid pinback, which is a fantastic hairstyle for those quick back to school mornings that we're all just about to face again. Now, if you love all of our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our videos so that you don't miss any. And let's go. Now to begin, I did a side part on hers, like a deep side part, and then I parted behind her head about an inch above her ears, and then I stopped. So I have sort of this rectangular shaped section. I'm gonna take the rest of her hair and just kind of secure it out of the way so that it doesn't get intermixed into our braid right now. I'm gonna go back up to the top and I'm going to just grab a little piece of the top here. And I'm going to break that into 4 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so now you have your 4 strands that you're going to be working with, and I'm going to number them like this. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 from left to right. So you're going to take piece number 1 and go under number 2 and over number 3. Then you're going to stop for a minute. Then you're going to go to this piece, number 4, and it's going to go over number 3 and under number 2. So you're just switching all the different hairs into different locations. But essentially, if you just remember that this side, the left side, is always going to start by going under, so it goes under and then over, and the right piece is always going to go over and then under. It'll be easy. So this outside piece, you're going to pick up hair and add it into that little piece right here. Now remember, this one's going under, so under number 3, over number 2, and then we stop. Pick up hair and add it into that outside edge. This one goes over all the time, so it goes over and then back under, like that. And then we stop and add in hair, and it goes under and then over and stop, add in hair, and this side goes over, and it doesn't really matter how your fingers choose to hold it, as long as you're getting that same pattern going, that same repetition. Now what you'll start noticing is that this strand right here, number 3, it just interweaves. It never goes to the outside. All of the others end up falling to the outside at some point and getting more hair added in, but this little one doesn't. So you'll start seeing this little ribbon kind of hair going through. Okay, now when you get to this point, I've run out of hair to pick up and add in, so I'm just going to start doing a regular 4-strand braid. So again, I'll show you right here. So I have my 4 strands, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it's the same pattern, under and then over, then this outside piece goes over and then under, over. So I'm gonna get to there, and I can see that that piece in the middle, I'm about to lose it. You can see it's getting really short. So for me, I'm going to secure it with an elastic right here, and then release the rest of her hair and pin it back. But before I do that, I want to make it really pop. You can leave it like this, it's nice and tight, but I actually like to really go back and pop that outside edge right here by just pancaking that top piece, like this, so that it really over accents that top edge. And this is just personal preference. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. And then I'm going to just lift a little section of hair right here. And this is why I leave a little piece down by their ears, because I find that it just looks softer and more natural looking. Take a couple bobby pins, turn so you can see, and make sure I cross them. Hold that in place, and then let the hair fall over the top to help hide those bobby pins for us. And we are done. Final spin.